Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to edit duration of photos on TikTok on iPhone. First, open TikTok. Once in the app, you're going to tap on the plus like you will normally do to upload photos. Then you're going to tap on upload in the bottom right hand corner. And from here you're going to select the photos that you would like to upload. So I'll tap on photos. Then from here I'm going to select the photos. After selecting the photos, I would recommend that you also select a video. So you're going to tap on videos and you're going to select a random video. For example, this one right here. Then you're going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After doing that, you're going to simply tap on Enhance Editor in the top right hand corner. And from here, you'll be able to increase the duration of the photos by simply dragging on them along the timeline, as you can see right here. So you can select the photos and you can drag them along. And you can also rearrange them if you want. After doing this, all you'll have to do is simply tap on the video that you had added. Then from here, you're going to simply press down on the video, as you can see right here. And you're going to tap on Sound Sync in the bottom left hand corner. You want to remove that. Then you're going to tap on the video again. And you're going to tap on Delete in the bottom right hand corner. And you can continue with the editing of your photos so you can increase the duration even more. You can also add sound if you want. You can enhance it in any way you want. Then you are going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. And then you'll tap on Next to continue with uploading. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.